welcome back to the channel. Let's look at what's new in the world of AI this week. It's been an exciting few days. OpenAI just expanded one of its biggest products. There's fresh news from the GTA 6 new release date. YouTube creators are facing new challenges with AI moderation, and Elon Musk might soon be storing your data in space. So let's take it one story at a time. So the first news is OpenAI launches Sora 2 for Android. OpenAI has officially launched Sora, its viral AI video app, on Android, and this time it's completely invite-free. After dominating iOS last month with over 1 million downloads in just 5 days, Sora is now rolling out in 7 countries, including the US, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, and Vietnam. Expansion to Europe is next on the list. Now, what's special here is how OpenAI is shifting from just creating AI tools to creating a whole AI creative ecosystem. Sora now lets users make reusable AI avatars. You can create digital characters, give them names, handles, and even privacy settings. They've also added tools for video stitching, leaderboards to track trending creators, and even a TikTok-style feed for exploring and remixing videos. In short, Sora isn't just about generating videos anymore, it's becoming an AI-based social platform. But it's not all smooth sailing. The Real Cameo app has already filed a trademark lawsuit against OpenAI for using the term cameo in their new character cameos feature. There have also been concerns about deepfakes, since people have started experimenting with historical and copyrighted figures. In response, OpenAI says they're working on creator monetization, so rights holders could charge for using certain characters, making it a fair system for everyone. If they pull this off, it could be the start of a true AI-powered creator economy. It's fascinating to see how quickly OpenAI is turning its models into products that people actually use, and now they're heading straight into social media territory. Alright guys, this one's a bit off topic, but honestly, it's too big not to mention, especially for all my fellow gamers out there. After years of waiting and countless rumors, Rockstar Games has finally confirmed the official release date for Grand Theft Auto VI. The game is now set to launch on Thursday, November 19th, 2026. Yeah, I know, it's still a long wait, but Rockstar made it clear that this extra time is crucial. In their official statement, they said, "We are sorry for adding additional time to what we realize has been a long wait, but these extra months will allow us to finish the game with the level of polish you have come to expect and deserve." Let's be real, this is probably the most anticipated game of the decade. From what we've seen in the early teaser trailers, the visuals look breathtaking, the world feels more alive than ever, and the story seems to be taking the franchise in a fresh direction. So yeah, even though this isn't directly related to AI or tech news, I think it's something you should know. Because just like the AI revolution, GTA 6 is going to be a cultural moment. November 19th, 2026. Mark that date, because it's going to be one of the biggest launches in gaming history. Now this one's serious, and honestly kinda scary if you're a YouTube creator. So recently, since YouTube started integrating its new AI moderation system, things have become a lot stricter for creators. Basically, YouTube has now started relying heavily on AI to detect and review videos instead of human moderation, and that's creating major problems across the platform. Let me explain what's happening. One of the most popular creators from our own AI community, you might know him as AI Guy, used to post videos on AI automation, passive income, and online earning tools. But now, his videos have been taken down one after another, not because he violated any clear policy, but because YouTube's AI moderation flagged his content for containing certain money-related keywords and thumbnails. From what I've heard, he didn't break any actual rules, yet the AI system automatically classified his content as potentially misleading or spam just because of words like earn, income, or money. And this isn't just about him. It's happening to a lot of finance and business creators lately. YouTube's AI is now scanning titles, thumbnails, and even visuals for anything related to money or earnings. So if you accidentally show something like $100 per day, earn online, or even just passive income, the system might automatically flag it as scam content, even if it's 100% genuine. That's why so many creators are calling this new AI moderation a nightmare, because manual reviews aren't happening in most cases. Once the AI decides your video is against policy, it's either instantly demonetized or completely removed, and there's almost no human check afterward. A perfect example is the creator behind the popular Old Money channel. Recently, his entire channel got terminated without warning under the spam or scam policy, and even he doesn't know why. He followed all YouTube guidelines, wasn't selling fake courses, nothing shady, but the AI system still took him down. You can actually see his post about it on X, link in the description. Now here's where it gets worse. Once YouTube's AI flags your channel, it becomes almost impossible to come back. Even if you try to create a new account, YouTube's AI system can detect it's you and will automatically terminate the new channel too. That's how strict and honestly, how broken this system has become. Creators are genuinely scared right now because you never know what the AI will pick up on next. Finance, automation, or AI tutorial creators, everyone's walking on eggshells. One wrong keyword in your title, description, or thumbnail, and your entire channel could disappear overnight. I really think YouTube needs to fix this. AI moderation is fine when it helps filter real spam, but when it starts punishing genuine creators, that's a big problem. Because right now, AI isn't perfect. It doesn't understand context, tone, or intention. It just sees a few trigger words and assumes the worst. And for creators who've spent years building their channels, losing everything over an AI mistake is devastating. So yeah, this issue deserves attention. The creator community needs to raise its voice, and YouTube needs to bring back real human reviews for such sensitive categories, especially finance, AI, and education-related content. Because right now, it's not scammers who are suffering, it's real, hardworking creators getting hit for doing everything right. Okay, now this one sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. At XPENG's AI Day 2025, they unveiled Iron, their next-generation humanoid robot, and it's honestly one of the most realistic ones we've seen yet. It's got a full bone, muscle, skin architecture, so it literally mimics how humans move. 82 degrees of freedom, 22 just in the hands alone. It can bend, twist, balance, and even walk naturally, like an actual person. During the demo, Iron walked down a stage runway, and people genuinely thought there was a human in a costume. That's how smooth it was. And get this, you can even customize its body type and face. It has a 3D curved display for expressions, and XPENG is offering both male and female variants. Of course, that sparked debates about how human robots should look, but XPENG says they're targeting mass production by 2026. And if you think about it, we're not that far away from seeing humanoid robots working in real-world jobs, in factories, offices, maybe even homes. It's fascinating and slightly unsettling at the same time. Next, SpaceX is building data centers in space. Yup, Elon Musk wants your data to orbit the Earth. So recently, Elon confirmed that SpaceX is planning space-based data centers using Starlink V3 satellites with high-speed laser links. Now, there's no official SpaceX white paper or announcement yet. This came straight from Musk's post on X, Twitter, where he said, basically he's saying Starlink satellites could double as data storage and processing hubs, kind of like AWS or Google Cloud, but in orbit. If that actually happens, this could completely change how cloud computing works. We're talking about faster global access, better redundancy, and possibly lower latency, because your data would be processed above the Earth instead of hopping across multiple servers on the ground. Though, that's it for today's roundup. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment on which story blew your mind the most, and of course, subscribe for more updates, because trust me, next week's going to be just as wild. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care and keep exploring.